Yun, good morning. Dito tayo sa Muntinlupa, Posadas Village. Call time na 7 AM, pero nandito na ako by 4 since taga San Mateo, Rizal. Shoot tayo for office guy for medicine project. So waiting na lang.
Mas daw busy.
Busy kami, busy.
I know I have good judgment, I know I have good taste. It's funny and it's ironic that only I feel that way. I promise I'm not you different, and everyone makes mistakes, but just don't. I heard that you're so act like a stand-up guy. Whatever devil's inside you, don't let him out tonight. I tell them it's just your culture, and everyone knows their eyes. Yeah, I know.
Hindi, video.
May video pala, hi!
Tours of the Crown Virgin. Sorry ka.
Shooting house location. Honda Civic.
Oh, yes, right. Ox lang ba? Daylight, da-da-da-da-da, daylight. Golden. Shit, kita ba? Saan ba camera mo?
Doon, direct. Nakita lang naman tayo. Yun, tapos na yung first scene ko. So, waiting for the second one. Yung family muna. Set up sila.
And look at your medicine. Diretso ng ulo. Diretso level. And roll. Atras ka konti. Patrick, nag-lean forward ka. And yan, dyan ka lang. 3, 2, 1. And action. Inog. And cut. Spit. You really, after that, the week after, I was to some I had to mistake. Yes po.
Okay naman sila doon. Meron lang bed movements. So parang,
Ayaw umiinom. Kaya actually yung last mo.
kaya ka,
Yeah. And 3, 2, 1, action! On the tongue and nose. Yeah, baba, smile. And Ising na office guy. Yeah.
lipat ka na.
Yes, yes. And roll. 3, 2, 1, and action! Di na ko papayag na mawala pa muli. And cut!
Wala kang ano. Kulang ba? Kulang? Meron naman.
Okay naman. Hindi ako yung nag-vlog sa
Okay, so, ready, and roll.
Rolling!
3, 2, 1, and action! Inom, inom, baba. Yes, there you go. Cut!
Moving to next location. Wash na. Yun, so nakapag-wash up na for next location. RCBC Makati office. Then balik ulit dito para sa motorcycle pa sa parking. Yan, nandiyo sa ilalim ng mga puno. Then yun. Then pack up after that. On the way na sa next location shoot kung saan ako stress, pagod, ganyan. RCBC Makati, no kuya?
Apo, sa may Yuchenko building ko.
Ayun, then babalik ulit dito para balikan yung motor ko.
Kaya dapat po makakuha nyo yung number ko po kasi para makuha. Sige, sa nagka-traffic na po kasi dito. So, wala naman po. Talagang mabago lang. Yes.
Second location sa Shoot agad, office RCBC. Pack up 7:46, makeup po. RCBC Makati. Then balik tayo na sukat ulit para pick up ng motor ko. Tapos uwi na kasi
Hindi naman po gana.